In this video, we will show you how to test and install a GT750's two-stroke oil pump. What you'll need. Pause the video to see all the items. How to do a bench check. Connect the oil hose piece to the hose connector. Now connect the oil hose connector with the banjo bolt to the oil pump. Do not forget the nylon seal rings on both sides of the banjo bolt. Tighten the banjo bolt enough so it won't leak any oil. Open the bleeder screw on top of the pump. Use the pump oil can with the red two-stroke oil to pump oil into the pump. Continue until the red oil is coming out of the bleeder screw on top of the oil pump. Then tighten the bleeder screw. Put the screwdriver into the pinhole of the shaft. Turn the screwdriver counterclockwise and put the oil pump lever in total open position. This will cause the pump to fill up with two-stroke oil. Make sure the oil is coming out of all 6 holes on the bottom of the oil pump. Wipe the two-stroke oil away so you can do a final check. Again, hold the pump in its normal position as it sits on the GT750 engine. Put the oil pump lever in its open position. Check all 6 holes for oil. Note that 3 holes will expel more oil than the other 3. Now it's time to remove the old pump. Remove the banjo bolt on the oil hose connector. Make sure you hold the oil hose higher than the oil level in the two-stroke oil tank. Remove the oil pump carburetor connection rod. Now remove the 3 screws that are keeping the oil pump in place. Don't forget the oil pump pin. It could fall out, so make sure you don't lose it. Remove the 3 screws from the oil pump. Note that there are 6 small O-rings on the bottom of the pump. Replace these with new ones when you install the replacement pump. Now we prepare for installation. First, place the new O-rings. Now comes the most important thing you have to do. Inject the other colored two-stroke oil via the base of the oil pump into the oil lines. While doing this, you will see the red two-stroke oil being pushed away. Repeat this with the other 5 oil lines. No red two-strokes should be left visible in the oil lines. Now it's time to install the replacement oil pump. Don't forget to put the oil pump shaft pin back in. Put the oil pump in its position. Fasten the 3 screws of the oil pump. Now remove the short test oil hose. Next, screw the banjo bolt with the 2 nylon seal rings onto the oil pump. Bleed the pump again by opening the bleeder screw on top of the pump. This way you can make sure all of the air is out of the pump. When two-stroke oil is coming out of the bleeder screw, you can tighten it. Make sure the engine is okay to start before you start it. And then start it. The oil pump carburetor rod isn't installed yet, so move the lever of the oil pump to its fully open position. Making some revs will make the two-stroke oil flow faster through the oil pump. Slowly all oil lines will fill with the red two-stroke oil. When all the lines have filled up with the red two-stroke oil, it is safe to say the oil pump is okay. Installing the pump carburetor rod. Adjust the oil pump until the markings line up. Run the engine again and do a short throttle test. Be sure to prevent oil starvation by adjusting the two-stroke feeding hose. It is important that you install the feeding hose correctly. Make sure you do not place it loosely, but fittingly wrapped around, to prevent any possible problems later on. Happy riding!